And it's now time for the business day. Sagicor Real Estate X Fund Limited has resumed dividend payments to shareholders for the first time in 9 years. The company paid a dividend of 10 cents per share on July 14, marking its first shareholder distribution since 2017. Sagicor says dividend payments had been suspended after the company recorded negative retained earnings during the COVID-19 period. Chairman Howard Mitchell says the move reflects the company's stronger financial position and the progress made in rebuilding the business. He adds that while the company is encouraged by the turnaround, its focus remains on sustainable growth and creating long-term value for shareholders. As electricity costs continue to put pressure on Jamaican households and businesses, companies are looking for ways to reduce their energy dependence and improve efficiency. From hybrid vehicles to renewable energy solutions, industry players say the way forward is investing in alternatives that can help lower costs and improve sustainability.
For businesses and the consumers feeling the impact of rising energy expenses, the search is on for solutions that can reduce costs without slowing growth. Energy efficiency is emerging as one of the key responses, with experts pointing to technologies and alternatives that can help Jamaicans better manage rising fuel and electricity expenses.
The truth is there's no good reason for households, let's start with households, to be paying high electricity bills when solar systems are available and financing is available for them. The payback period has come down significantly, and majority of the people that I know are telling me about their light bills being $12 and $15. So there's no good reason that people should not be putting solar in their homes. Electric vehicles are now coming to the fore, especially out of China. Don made mention of it in his report. I think that people have to look at hybrid vehicles for their transport. I think the government needs to start looking at hybrid vehicles for buses, hybrid and or electric vehicles for buses for public transport.
But the push toward efficiency is not only about reducing expenses, but also remaining competitive in an environment where energy prices continue to influence the cost of doing business.
Certainly, if persons are looking to purchase a home, property, capitalize the cost of solar in that, negotiate with your mortgage provider, include the cost of the solar system in the purchase price of the property. It's much cheaper than any kind of solar financing project out there now that you can get.
Meanwhile, Managing Director of FESCO, Jeremy Barnes, says consumers should consider alternative solutions in their daily routines.
Cook with gas rather than electricity. It's far more efficient to cook with LPG gas than it is to cook with electricity. So, that's one piece of advice I'd love to share.
For the Business Day, I'm Rashida Walker.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 2,137 points today, while the junior market index declined by 48 points. The winners include Jamaica Public Service 7%, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Margaritaville Turks, Innovative Energy Group and Berger Paints. The losers include G West Corporation, JFP Limited, ISP Finance Services, Elite Diagnostic, and One Great Studio Company. 14 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.54. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.08. The pound is going for $210.25, while the euro is selling for an average $185.16. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories are next.